Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a car key to Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to unlock your car with your phone, here's how to add your digital car key to Google Wallet in just 90 seconds. Now, the first step is check if your Android phone is compatible. You'll need a Pixel 6 or newer or a recent Samsung Galaxy running Android 12 or later. Your car also needs to support digital keys, so go ahead and check with the manufacturer. Now open your car's official app like BMW Connected or Hyundai Digital Key. Look for an option to add digital key, sign in with your Google account and follow the steps to connect. Alternatively, your car maker might send you an email. Just open it on your phone, tap add to Android and follow the prompts. Some vehicles also let you set it up directly from the dashboard screen. Once paired, you can unlock or start your car by holding your phone near the door handle or ignition. Passive entry and remote lock unlock may be available depending on your car. Also, don't forget, always carry a physical key as backup and keep your phone secure with a lock screen. That's it, you've just added your car key to Google Wallet.